Hi guys, Roo here from Prepared Camping. So, this folding steamer insert I got from Lidl for £2.99, and it's virtually identical to the collapsible fire bowls that I've seen online. The only difference really is that the metal here is punctuated so that you can let steam and water through, whereas the collapsible fire bowl, it's solid sheet metal. So I'll just remove this central pin, and there you are, there's our bowl. Might keep that for later. Now you could just use it like this, but whenever I have a barbecue or anything like that, I always line it with tin foil, and I'm going to do the same with this bowl here. I mean, I don't think much would have fallen through these little holes, but you know, it's just something I do. So this will make sure that we don't have any embers fall through, and it'll also prolong the life of the bowl itself. And obviously, got to test it out. And there we go. It's quite cool, actually. Yeah, I'll definitely be using this again, I think. Now, once it's all cooled down, you can even use the tin foil to wrap up all the leftover ash and embers. Pop that straight in the bin, job a good one. See here, it's slightly discoloured, but other than that, she's good to go again. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like, and I'd love to hear your feedback, so comment below. And who knows, maybe even subscribe to the channel. Take care.